Step 1. Life is light. Discovering your essential light nature. In this first step towards your true nature, you need to change the solid material idea you have of yourself and experience yourself as essentially energy and light. You cannot access your life force and come into health-promoting coherence unless you are grounded in this light reality. The reality that you and everything around you is light, and that life is light. Does that sound far-fetched? Not at all. You have to eat to live, right? Well, every tiny morsel of life-supporting nourishment that you eat is produced by plants through the transformation of light energy from the sun. Plants transform sunlight into the nutrients they store as food. So food is condensed light. Every molecule you breathe was also produced by plants under the action of sunlight. So every molecule of oxygen also is and carries light. Every bit of you is light because inside every single one of your cells are mitochondria that use the oxygen from the air you breathe, that carries light, to release the light in every tiny bit of food you have eaten into the organ, tissue, bone, muscle, and energy you need to be alive. The food you eat is condensed light. Air is condensed light, and you are condensed light. Everything that exists is condensed light. Your entire body-mind is light, and this meditation will help you experience that fact. Be sure that you are in a position where you feel comfortable over the next 12 minutes. So take a moment now to get yourself comfortable. It's best to close your eyes, and if that feels uncomfortable, then leave them open just a crack. These meditations are very relaxing, and you can use them to fall asleep. If at any time you find yourself falling asleep during a meditation and do not wish to fall asleep, then just bring your attention to the point of touch where the in-breath makes contact as it enters your nostrils, and just keep your attention there during the entire time. Allow yourself to settle down, and allow your thoughts to wind down. Imagine that the storm of worries, thoughts, and preoccupations just gets quieter and quieter. Then take a deep breath in and allow the out-breath to carry away all of your stress and preoccupations. Take another deep breath in and breathe out a sigh of relaxation and relief. Ah. Really feel it. Really allow it. As you breathe in again, follow your breath and allow your awareness to sink into your body. Allow your awareness to sink into where your body is in contact with the surfaces that support you, the chair or floor or bed, and gently sink into that support, feeling that you are supported. Sink into your feet, experiencing fully what your feet are feeling, sensing, touching. Bring your awareness to what your hands are resting on. What is the texture, the temperature you feel? Feel that you are fully inhabiting your body, that all your focus is inside your body. As you breathe in, be fully aware that each breath carries light, energy, and oxygen into your body. Visualize each breath in as a river of white light, carrying oxygen produced by some nearby plant or tree. Millions of quadrillions, 10 followed by 26 zeros, of molecules of oxygen with every breath. And every single one of those molecules was transformed through sunlight and imbued with the energy of the sun. Every single molecule carries the light that came from the sun. Visualize every molecule of oxygen that you are breathing as being filled with living light. As you breathe in, visualize your breath as a breath of light, a river of light flowing into you. With each breath in, visualize this river of white light flowing into your nostrils and through your forehead, smoothing down the frowny muscles so that your forehead becomes soft and relaxed. Breathe out all the tension in your forehead. Let it go. As you breathe in, visualize this river of white light flowing into your nostrils and through your forehead and through your scalp, releasing your scalp, filling your scalp with light so that all the muscles of your scalp soften. And as you breathe out, feel your ears coming down with the relaxation of the muscles of your scalp. With the next breath in, visualize this river of light flowing into your brain, flowing through your brain and rinsing out all your preoccupations, your worries, and thoughts with the out-breath. The next breath in, visualize this river of light flowing around your eyes and allowing your eyes to soften and to smile, the out-breath. With the next breath in, visualize this river of light flowing into your jaw. Gently move your jaw back and forth so that your jaw becomes totally relaxed with the out-breath, hanging loosely without any holding at all. With the next breath in, the white light flows into your nose, through your head, and down through your neck, into your chest, and into your abdomen, clearing away all the tightness in your chest and belly, and releasing it with the out-breath. With the next breath in, the white light flows down through your chest, through your abdomen, and into your thighs, releasing any and all stiffness in the large muscles of your thighs so that they completely let go with the out-breath. Allow the next breath in to flow through your entire body, right down into your calves and into your feet. Let the breath rinse through, right through them to your toes, and let the out-breath carry with it any and all tension. Visualize each breath that follows as an immense wave of light-enhanced oxygen pouring into your lungs and into your body, a wave of living light that moves through and into every single cell in your body. Visualize every single one of your organs and every single one of your tissues and cells being filled with light with every breath. Watch how this wave of light moves into your body and through and into every single one of your cells. Imagine each breath lightening, brightening your cells, carrying new and fresh light to every part of your body, every organ, every muscle, all the way down to your toes. And with your out-breath, visualize all the spent oxygen that has been relieved of its light and is now gray and dark, carrying with it all the debris, the byproducts, the toxins, the waste, everything that your body no longer needs. With every in-breath, your body becomes brighter and brighter, a dance of light in every cell, sparkling, scintillating, glowing light. Every out-breath, leaving with the carbon dioxide your body releases, knowing that your out-breath feeds and nourishes all the same plants that produce the oxygen that keeps you alive. Experience your whole body as a dance of light, your cells as dancing lights, being renewed and invigorated with every breath. Experience your whole body as a wave of light, a dancing wave of light, a wave that has no beginning and no end, a wave that is part of the continuum of everything on earth that includes the plants and the animals, the oceans and the sky. Feel with every breath that you are as one with the plants, one with the sky, one with the clear blue vastness, and one with the light. Just stay with that feeling and the image of light flowing from the sun into the plants, into the air, into you and through you. And see how everything you breathe out flows back into the plants, feeding and invigorating them. Experience your breath as a never-ending cycle between you and the world around you. Feel the cyclical nature of your breath. Experience the cycle of life, the cycle of light through your breath. Now bring your attention to the sensations caused by the air flowing into your nostrils. Notice the temperature of the air as it enters your nostrils. Notice the places where your body is in contact with the surfaces that support you. Notice the sensations of air on your skin, on your face, and wiggle your toes. And then gently stretch your neck and your arms and your shoulders. Open your eyes and come back to the room. In this, your first journal exercise, I'd like you to recognize the light of everything in you and around you. Recognize that you yourself are a being of light, filled with and moved by light. Describe the experience of feeling your life force move through you during the meditation. Take a moment to write down your experience. Experiencing yourself as light is the necessary first step of ego alchemy, the transformation from who you think you are to who you really are. Each time you practice this meditation, notice how your relationship to your breath and to the world around you shifts as you become consciously aware of how your breath is part of the cycle of life of the planet, and how your breath is directly connected to the breath of life of all living creatures.